Yeah, today we're going to go after the blueberries because we've had some crazy weather, temperatures in the 90s. Now we're going to be getting temperatures in the 20s. So we're changing from planting potatoes this week to potting up our blueberries. So we're going to use our little YB blend here. Pop these out, well rooted. Take a little bit of some of the mix, put it around the sides, pack it down. Tuck in the sides. This is the Aurora. But the next ones we're going to pot up are going to be the Elliott. It's best to have two different blueberries to pollinate each other. And different harvest times, so you're always harvesting blueberries. They're 1-gallon containers if you were wondering. Alright, we'll pot the rest of these up off camera and we'll show you what they look like.
These are hydrangeas that are waked up. And here's our hibiscus. And we're going to go down here and we just got potted up our blueberries. I just wanted to show you before it got a little dark. But we are... Okay, it's all our blueberries all potted up. Thank you.
If you want to follow along, the playlist is in the description below. Thank you for making it till the end.